At this point in the course, we have covered all of the vector content we need to cover for the first module. But before we go on to the second module, there's one more topic we have to fit in here, which is units and unit conversion. So a unit is a standard quantity which we can use as a reference for reporting measurements. So for example, units of length include the inch and the meter. An inch, as you may know, is slightly larger than the diameter of a quarter. So once we agree on what an inch is, I can then tell you, for example, that my pinky finger has a length of about 2.5 inches, and we all understand what that means then. A meter is about the height of a 4-year-old kid, so this is a meter stick right here. Once we agree on what a meter is, I could then, for example, measure the height of this desk and then tell you that this desk is 0.87 meters tall, and you would know what that means as well. Now, very often in this course, we're going to have to do what are called unit conversions. A unit conversion is when we have a measurement given in 1 unit, and then we have to convert that same measurement into some different unit. For example, say that I have a car here, and I know that the car has a length of 4.31 meters, and I want to find the length of the car expressed in inches. We know, because it's something we can look up, that a meter is equal to 39.37 inches. Okay, so how can I take this measurement in meters, 4.31 meters, and express that in inches? So there's a standard process which I would like us to use anytime that unit conversions come up. And what I like to do here is to start by just taking that value expressed in the original unit and having it equal itself. So here I would say 4.31 meters equals 4.31 meters. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that quantity on the right side here and multiply it by the number 1, but I'm multiplying it by the number 1 expressed in a very specific way. Okay, so I want to change this value on the right side from meters to inches. That means I'm going to want to cancel meters. I can cancel meters by putting meters on the bottom here, and then I would want inches on the top. But look at what we have now. We have 4.31 meters equals 4.31 meters times something. So this something better be equal to 1. Now, here's how I can make this equal 1. We have that a meter is 39.37 inches. So how about I come to the numerator here and I write 39.37 inches. Okay, so I have them 4.31 meters equals 4.31 meters, and then times 1. Why is this 1? Because the numerator and denominator equal each other. Okay, so now I can cancel meters against meters, and I get 4.31 meters equals the numerical value. The numerical value which goes here will be 4.31 times 39.37. Okay, so I'm going to round off here. I get 170, and then the unit is inches. So this car is 4.31 meters long, but we could also say it is 170 inches long. And in the next couple of videos, I'm going to give a couple more examples of unit conversions like this.